What is going on, guys? It's your boy Midas, and today I've got 10 variations of workouts you can do at home for, larger arms or maintaining whatever gains you already worked out for at the gym. So I'm gonna be doing these workouts with all dumbbells. So if you don't have dumbbells, I don't know if you can do these, or you can just grab a water jug. It's not gonna be as effective for building muscle mass in the arms, but it's definitely better than nothing else. If you're looking for more challenging videos, I've got a bunch of challenging videos on my channel. Make sure to check that out, and you can check me out on Instagram as well at TMMTheMidas for more videos, my daily routines, my food, and all that. Let's get this party started, man. That's how I usually do it. You know how this goes. Let's get it. So that's my home version of, you know, working out your arms, because usually it's harder to work your arms from home without any equipment. So you might as well just get some dumbbells, or you can get some milk jugs, whatever works for you, man. But that's the end of this video. If you made it to this point, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're looking for a video that's gonna show you 10 different exercises you could do to, you know, maintain or build your legs from home, make sure to click on the video on the screen right now, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Midas is out.